Hello everyone, welcome to ConsciScience. YouTube is stepping up its game in the ongoing battle against ad blockers, and it's making waves across the internet. Here's a deep dive into what's happening, why it matters, and how it could affect you. Over the past few months, YouTube has intensified its efforts to clamp down on ad blockers, tools many users employ to avoid the interruptions of ads during their viewing experience. This crackdown creates significant disruptions for millions of users worldwide, leading to videos skipping to the end, audio issues, and more. The new normal for ad block users. On Monday, reports began flooding in from users experiencing bizarre behavior while using YouTube with ad blockers enabled. Videos were either skipping straight to the end or automatically muting themselves. One Reddit user described the experience. "There's no sound whenever I use ad blocker on YouTube. You can adjust the volume slider for a second, then it goes mute again." Another user spent a considerable amount of time troubleshooting their setup, only to realize the issue was due to their ad blocker. These issues aren't isolated incidents. According to research by Censuswide, over half of the US population uses ad blocking software, with a significant portion being younger users. Globally, Statista estimates nearly 1 billion people employ ad blockers. This means YouTube's recent changes could potentially impact a vast number of viewers. Why YouTube is cracking down? YouTube has been vocal about its stance on ad blockers. In a community announcement, the platform stated that third-party apps designed to block ads violate YouTube's terms of service. The company argues that ads are essential for supporting creators and maintaining the free use of its streaming services. "We want to emphasize that our terms don't allow third-party apps to turn off ads, because that prevents the creator from being rewarded for viewership," the announcement read. To counteract ad blockers, YouTube has introduced measures that disrupt the viewing experience of those using these tools. For instance, videos may buffer endlessly or display errors such as, "The following content is not available on this app." Users have noted that while these disruptions are inconvenient, they can be bypassed by subscribing to YouTube Premium, which offers an ad-free experience. User reactions and workarounds. Despite YouTube's push, some users have found clever ways to bypass ads without using ad blockers or paying for premium. One method involves skipping to the end of a video and pressing the replay button, which seems to avoid ad interruptions. However, the effectiveness of these workarounds is limited. Users have expressed frustration with the escalating battle between YouTube and ad blockers. Some have even considered abandoning the platform altogether due to the inconvenience caused by these measures. Is it all YouTube's fault? Interestingly, not all issues are directly attributed to YouTube's crackdown. There have been instances where ad blockers themselves caused problems. For example, a bug in AdBlock earlier this year led to slow video loading times and additional stress on devices running YouTube. This bug prompted many to blame YouTube initially, but further investigation revealed the fault lay with the ad blocking software. YouTube has reiterated that its primary goal is to improve performance and reliability, though this may inadvertently affect users relying on ad blockers. A statement from the company to 9to5 Google clarified, "Ad blockers violate YouTube's terms of service, and we've been urging users for some time to support their favorite creators and allow ads on YouTube or try YouTube Premium for an ad-free experience." The bigger picture, YouTube's battle against ad blockers isn't just about enforcing terms of service. Business move. The platform has been increasing the price of its premium to $14 a month. This hike, coupled with the anti-ad block measures, could be seen as a strategy to push more users towards subscribing. However, the user backlash indicates a delicate balance that YouTube must maintain. Many users feel the platform's aggressive tactics alienate its loyal base. On forums like Reddit's r/YouTube, the sentiment is clear. Users are frustrated, and some are even using ad blockers out of sheer defiance. In conclusion, YouTube's intensified war on ad blockers is a significant development in the digital landscape. While the platform aims to protect its revenue streams and support content creators, the move has sparked considerable controversy and inconvenience for millions of users. As this battle continues, watching how both YouTube and its audience adapt will be crucial. For now, users must decide whether to comply with YouTube's terms, seek alternative viewing methods, or explore other platforms altogether. Thank you for watching.